Hello coders, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to create 2D fire in Unity using just a texture. Let's get back to the video. For this, first we are going to create the shader. Create shader graphs, URP, and name it as fire, 2D fire. For this fire we need like 4 variables. We will declare it first itself, then we can start. First I want color, so I am going to add the color, name it as fire color, and I just want to set as white because we can just manipulate with any other colors. With white it will become red, green, blue. We can change it in the other time also. Then float, power, and one more thing, vector 2, speed. Like in this speed we can define the fire has to be from top to bottom or sideways. We can define from the speed variable itself. And base texture 2D base. Okay, these are the variables for creating fire. Okay, let's create node. First thing we are going to create is UV. With this UV I am going to split, and we are going to use the Y, so I'm getting the G, then 1 minus, then I want power node, add the power variable, and base map, sample texture 2D. Okay, here I forgot to add the texture. I have a 2D texture here. I just created with the ChatGPT. If you guys want to create your own fire, you can use. So the fire will look like this, and we are going to multiply with texture. I am going to take the R, and we are going to animate it with time, multiply with speed. You can define the speed after some time also, so just leave it as 0 itself. Then we are going to use the tailing offset. This out will go to offset. Let it, the tailing will be 1 1, and UV, yes, and out will go to UV, sorry, and this will go to angle, so we will get something like this. And I'm going to add a simple noise UV, okay, 500 itself. Let's leave it like that, and I'm going to split, and multiply with the out. with the R, and we need to add this with this texture. So I want add fire will be like this, and I'm going to use step in. So we got the fire, and one more thing, we are going to get the color, so we need vertex color and multiply with our color. Going to add in the A, multiply with B. And multiply here with A, add this value, and split. We are going to attach the alpha to alpha. Okay, we need to set the graph opaque to transparent and click alpha clipping also. Here we are going to add the color to base and alpha to alpha, put the alpha clipping to 0. Just hit save, come to the scene, right click, create material. That's it, we got our fire material. Now we are going to animate it with particles. For particles, set duration to 5, start life equal to 5 itself, and start speed 0, and start size 1, start rotation 0, scale maximum particle 1000. Okay, I want emissive like 1 itself, and I don't want shape. Go to render, here set it as vertical billboard, drag and drop our fire material. That's it. If you guys see, our fire is here. We need to adjust the, I want to flame from up to down, so I just added. You can see there will be a fire animation is there. We're going to set as red. That's it guys, we created a particle with the material, and we will duplicate it. Duplicate like I want like 2 of the particle system I need to duplicate, and we will adjust the scale start size. I use the first one to 2, set it as 2, and this one we will adjust something. Before that we will change some color. So for first one it will be fully red, second one little bit orange, and third one yellowish. Okay, so we can easily identify, and we need to adjust the size according to that. Orange, okay, and some value like 1.9, and adjust the yellow also 1.8. 1.95. Okay, make the order. I'll set the red as back. The order is still okay. Set the oranges on. Set the oranges on or yellow. Okay, we will slightly scale down the yellow into 1.9 or 1.9 or less than. Yeah, okay. Okay, we'll see in the scene. Okay, it's look like kind of fire. Now we are going to make the. I have a background also. I have one background, so it will be like darker. I want like ninja style game, so I am going to make it the scene little darker. Okay, we are going to delete the directional layers because I started this project as 3D, and we are going to add the light, 2D global light, and we are going to reduce the intensity to 0.1. Yeah, this is enough. You guys see, like we need to add light for here, spotlight, and little bit we will increase the intensity, and I need to rotate it 90. Yeah, so if you guys see, our particle system has been created with little light. We will create, and we can also adjust the intensity as much we want. I want like 3 is enough, I think. So 2D fire has been done. It will be more cool if I created like game. I'm trying to complete as a complete series. We will see how it will go. Thank you for watching.